Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is indicating that liquid has been detected in the USB-C connector, it's essential to take immediate action to prevent potential damage. So let's get started. First thing, if your iPhone is still powered on, turn it off immediately to avoid any potential short circuits. And secondly, refrain from plugging in any accessories or attempting to charge your iPhone until you have resolved the liquid detection issue. Doing so should cause further damage, so do not plug in or charge your iPhone. Then allow your iPhone to air dry in a well ventilated area. Avoid using heat sources like hair dryers, as excessive heat can damage the device. You can also place your iPhone in a container filled with uncooked rice or silica gel packets, which can help absorb moisture. Leave it in the container for at least 24 hours to ensure through drying. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.